Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Oraimo Watch 6 OSW807, and on this video we are going to explore or have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. So if you are interested to see how the music control function of the Oraimo Watch 6 works, watch this video. And again, if you find this video demo useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the Bluetooth music control feature. We will start with our built-in music player, to be followed by Spotify, YouTube, and the YouTube Music. So let's open this one. We are already connected with a support app. So let's open the music control function here. Let's see if we can play. It's not working. Let's play it here directly. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to play. So let's see if we can adjust the volume here. Does it work? Yes, it works. And we are connected. We don't have the title here, but we have the play, pause, go forward and backward, stop, next, just relax and play, next, over the horizon, stop, go back. Okay, play it first, then go back. Yes, it works. Next, and next, stop. Okay, so it works with our built-in music player. Next, let's try the Spotify app. In our case, we will adjust the volume to avoid any copyright issues. Then let's listen to this song. Okay, then next. Okay, so it changes, as you can see here. Next, next. Okay, it works. Next, and next. Stop. Next, stop. As you can see here, it works with the Spotify app. It is connected right away when you open the application. Next, let's have the YouTube app. Alright, so let's try with this one. Hopefully it will work with our music control function. Okay, then let's play it here. The man known to history as just the volume.
Was born as Marcus Antonius Creticus on the 14th of January 83 BC in the city of Rome. He was named after
Okay, it works. Play.
His father.
Next.
Tutankhamun's spectacular treasures.
Stop. Go back.
Marcus Antonius.
Stop. Next.
Spectacular treasures.
Next. Okay, so it works with our Bluetooth music control. It works perfectly with the YouTube application. Okay. Next, let's try the YouTube music. Again, we'll mute the sound here to avoid any copyright issues. Then let's have this one. Play. Does it work? Okay, seems like it's working. Next. Again, next. Okay, then stop. Next, it's a bit slow. Okay, as you can see, it takes a while to connect, but once it is connected, it works now. Okay, next, go back, stop, and play. Okay, next, and next. Okay, so it works with our YouTube Music application. Again, it works with our built-in music player. It works with Spotify, the YouTube, and the YouTube Music. So that's it for our demo for the Bluetooth music control function. So we have a feature here in the Oraimo Watch 6. We just don't have the title of the song, but we do have a volume adjustment, go forward, go backward, play, and pause. And you can adjust the sequence also here, sequence of the song. Okay, so that's it for the demo. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.